same cube. Let's give it the same number edge loops and everything. Another Lambert. Let's go blue this time. Now give it an integration this time. Instead of disintegration, let's give it an integration. That's the only change I'm giving. The rest of it I'm keeping the same, so you can compare the objects. Now set of 10. Okay, let's give it an additional division. That is, the division gives an additional edge loop. Let's give it a 2. Now translation of 50. I'm not rotating, you can do it if you want. Then let's do the same thing. The one thing you have to understand in this one is, in the direction part, if it's set to an integration and if it's positive direction, the first blocks to come will be with the lesser y value. That is, the bottoms one will be the first one here, because it will build up as it is. The same way in all other things, it will be exactly opposite to the disintegration option. Now apply the effects, give some time to set the keys. Again 300 frames, as you can see. Okay, one thing I have to show you, this is the additional edge loop you have created, that the one we set. Now it came to the created the object. Now this does work on any polygonal object. You can do it on buildings, cars, and all those stuff you create. The only thing is that it has to be a polygon. It doesn't work on anything else. Now there are a couple of other cool effects you can do with this tool, and let's see that. What I'm actually gonna do is leave the translate, rotate, and scale as it is without animating them. So let's do this. New material, a Lambert. Let's give it a red. Blue and yellow. Go yellow this time. Okay, same. We'll go for disintegration first. Start frame, I'll set 10. Actually, frames doesn't matter in this one, just the offset. Now a thickness of 0.2. Now the thing is that I'm not gonna use any of these, and in the direction also I'll set positive y. Now what it actually does is that it animates only the visibility of the faces. So you'll have this effect like it's animating only. Actually the object is coming out of nowhere into your faces. It will be, you can use it for somewhat tiling work or something, anything you can think of. Now the integration part, the integration does the same thing in reverse. The faces will appear, the faces will be like coming together to form the object. The only difference is that there won't be any blocks flying around. It will just appear. So one. Okay, let's do it without any thickness. Positive Y. It will be, okay, select the object and apply. It will be easier to see. As you can see, there won't be any thickness. It's just the faces. Okay, complete object. What it actually does is that it creates a copy of the object, separates it into its individual faces, and animates it as if the object disintegrates into its individual faces, or individual faces come together to form the object. So both disintegration and integration actions are available, and all these are applied on the copy of an object. So it can be applied on objects that are already animated, or you can animate after applying these effects. And okay, thank you for watching. This is Sandeep Sugadan, and this tool will be provided to you soon from avishkara.com. That is Avishkara with two A's in the beginning, Avishkara. Thank you, and see you for the next tool.